So welcome back guys to my mixology channel. So today we're going to be preparing some classic martini and we're going to be using vodka. Okay, you can use gin and you can use vodka, your preference. Okay, you can use any type of vodka you have. You know, if you use Tito's gluten free, you can use Grey Goose, whatever you have, but we're going to use my vodka today. All right, so let's get right into it. So right now we're gonna put the vodka first, the alcohol first in the glass, okay? So we're gonna use like 2 ounces of vodka. And then we have 1 ounce of dry vermouth, okay? And we're gonna go right ahead. I like to put my ice last because I like to control my mixing, okay? What we're gonna do, you can shake it. Some people like to shake, you know, keep moving. This is a classic one, so I like to use my spoon and I'm gonna stir it, just like this. You can stir it like some bartenders say 30, 20 times, but because I'm a professional, so, you know, it depends on my feeling and I know when it's stirred enough, I can stop. So this is what it is, nice and clean. Okay. And what you can do ahead of time, if you're at home, you can just put your martini glass in your fridge and get it nice and frosty, okay? Okay. Put this aside right here. And right here, as you can see, I have a martini glass here with some ice inside of it, keeping it chill. All right, that's what it is right here. I'm gonna grab my strainer. I'm gonna go right ahead. I'm gonna strain it just like this. A lot of people like to fill the glass all the way up to the top, guys, but I don't fill it all the way to the top. You know what I mean? This is a classic martini. And then we go right ahead right here and we get our nice garnish cocktail olive, and here we have classic martini. Do enjoy. Stay tuned for more videos. Welcome back to my mixology channel, and today we're going to be preparing some classic Manhattan, guys. Okay, classic Manhattan we're going to prepare today. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to start with some Angostura right here. We're gonna drop like few drops, 3 drops inside of it, just like that. Okay. And then what we're gonna do, we have our bourbon whiskey right here. We're gonna put 3 ounces of bourbon whiskey inside this glass right here. All right. And then we have sweet vermouth. So we're gonna put 1 ounce of sweet vermouth inside, just like this, inside the glass. Alrighty. Okay, and then right away we go. We're gonna put our ice in the glass, just like it. We're gonna grab our spoon. Like I said, you can shake it. And a lot of people also like to shake, you know, because this is a classic Manhattan. So just grab my spoon and just stir it, just like this. Alright. Yeah. Ice is all over the place. Dropping the ice all over. Okay, so go right ahead. I'm throwing the ice all over the place, guys. All over. You can see that. So I'm gonna taste it right now. You know what I like to do? I like to taste when I'm making different type of drinks. And this is a Manhattan, and this is the sweet vermouth. This is the sweetener to get it sweet. All right. Okay. What we're gonna do right now, we have a glass right here, already chilled, with some ice inside of it. We'll go right ahead. Glass right here. Have our strainer, and then we're gonna strain it just like this in our glass. Okay, just like this, as you can see, just like this in our glass. All right. We're gonna go right ahead. We're gonna grab some cherry. You know, they have different type of cherry. So we just have that cocktail tray right here. And this we have right here, we have a classic Manhattan. Stay tuned. Thank you for visiting my channel. Mixology 640, I'm out.